Question number 1. The part of Ti plasmid dash is integrated into the plant chromosomal DNA. tDNA opines Ori T Liu 2. Correct answer is option A, tDNA. Question number 2. Yeast vector have been developed using the replication origin of the natural yeast 2 micron plasmid, have selectable markers such as LEU2. They can replicate as transpons. A and B are correct. Answer is option D. A and B are correct. Question number 3. Which of the following is true for bacterial artificial chromosome R? Based on the fact F factor of E. coli can be used to clone up to 35 kb of genomic DNA in a covalently handled E. coli host. They are a more stable and easier to use alternative to YAC. All the above are correct. Answer is option D. All of the above are correct. Question number 4. Dash vectors can be used to construct genomic library. Plasmid, lambda-phage, cosmid, all the above are correct. Option R is option D. All the above are correct. Plasmid, lambda-phage, cosmid. Question number 5. To avoid blunt end ligation of cDNA to vector, dash are usually added to the cDNA after the ends have been repaired, blunted, using a single strand specific nucleus followed by coenzyme. Alkaline phosphate, linkers, plasmid, oligo, DT. Correct answer is option B, linkers. Question number 6. The dash is used to amplify a sequence of DNA using a pair of oligonucleotide primers, each complementary to one end of the DNA target sequence. Gene bank, automated DNA sequencing, polymerase chain reaction, bioinformatics. Correct answer is option C, polymerase chain reaction is used to amplify a sequence of DNA. Question number 7. The enzyme dash can remove one strand of nucleotides in a 3' to 5' direction from the recessed 3' end but not from 3' protruding end. Exonuclease 3, endonuclease, EcoR1, hint 111. Correct answer is option A, exonuclease 3. Question number 8. In both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, primary RNA transcripts undergo various alternation and processing events to become mature RNA. The commonest type are nucleotide removed by nuclease, nucleotide addition to the 5' or 3' end, nucleotide modification on the base or the sugar. All of above are correct. Answer is option D. All of above are correct. Question number 9. The initial 30S transcript is made in E. coli by dash transcribing one of the 7 rRNA operons: DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase A and B, and nuclease. Correct answer is option B, RNA polymerase. Question number 10. In the nucleus of eukaryotes, dash enzyme transcribe the rRNA gene. RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, rRNA polymerase 3, all of above are correct. Correct answer is option B, RNA polymerase 2. This correct answer is RNA polymerase A. RNA polymerase 1 transcribe rRNA genes. RNA polymerase transcribes mRNA gene, and RNA polymerase transcribes tRNA gene. RMT. Question number 11. The E. coli 70S ribosome is formed from a large 50S and small 30S subunit. The large subunit contains 31 different proteins and 16 S RRA molecules and 21 different proteins, one each of 23S and 5S rRNA, 16S rRNA molecules and 55 different proteins, one each of the 5S and 80S rRNAs. Correct answer is option B. One each of the 23S and 5S rRNA. Question number 10. The concept of the operon was first proposed in 1961 by Jacob and Monod, George Biddle, Frederick Sanger, Herbert Boyer. Correct answer is option A. Jacob and Monod. Question number 30. The lactose operon constitutes of three structural genes, LAC-ZID, which codes for beta-galactosidase, LAC-Y, which encodes a trigalactoside transacetylase, galactoside permease, translocase. All of the above are false. Correct answer is option B. Galactoside permease. Question number 40. The various applications of gene cloning include genetically modified organism, DNA fingerprinting, diagnostic kits. All of the above are correct. Answer is option D. All of the above are correct. Question number 15. The dash 10 sequence in a 6 base pair region present in almost all promoter. This hexamer is generally 10 base pair upstream from the start site. The co-sequence of 10 sequence is. Answer is option B. TATAAT. Question number 60. The sigma 70 promoter consists of a sequence of between 40 to 60 base pair, 80 to 90 base pair, 100 to 160 base pair, 1 and 20 base pair. Answer is option A. 40 and 60 base pair. Question number 70. The Pribnov box hexamer is separated by dash from the transcription start site. Between 5 and 8 base pair, between 10 and 20 base pair, between 20 and 30 base pair. All of the above are false. Answer is option A. Between 5 and 8 base pair. Question number 80. The transcription start site is a dash in 90% of all genes. Purine, uracil, A and B are correct, A and B are false. Answer is option A. Purine. Question number 90. The RNA polymerase moves along the DNA maintaining a constant region of unbound DNA called the Pribnov box, transcription bubble, Hogness box, continuous sequence. Answer is option B. Transcription bubble. Question number 20. When sigma factor is added to the core RNA polymerase enzyme to form the dash, it markedly reduce the affinity for non-specific site on DNA by 20,000 fold. Close complex, open complex, tight binding, holo enzyme. Answer is option D. Holo enzyme.